Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Notion templates for brand voice and messaging system. Easy tutorial step by step clearly.
Begin by opening your Notion application.
Navigate to your workspace where you want to set up the brand voice and messaging system.
In the left sidebar, click on the Add a Page button.
Title the new page something like Brand Voice and Messaging.
Select the template option to create a structured page. Start with a header that outlines your brand's mission statement. Below the header, add a section for your brand values. In this section, list out your core values clearly and succinctly. Next, create a dedicated area for your target audience. Describe who they are, their demographics, and their interests. After that, add a section for your brand voice characteristics. Define the tone, style, and personality traits of your brand voice. Include examples of language that reflects your brand voice. Then, set up a section for key messaging pillars. Identify the main messages you want to communicate to your audience. Create a subsection for each messaging pillar with supporting details. Next, incorporate a vocabulary bank. List preferred terms and phrases that align with your brand voice. Also, include words or phrases to avoid in your messaging. To ensure consistency, establish guidelines for content creators.
Outline do's and don'ts for using your brand voice and messaging.
Finally, consider adding templates for different content types. Include sections for social media posts, blog articles, and emails.
Each template should reflect the established brand voice and messaging. Review your setup and make any necessary adjustments for clarity. Save your page and ensure it is easily accessible for your team. Your Notion template for brand voice and messaging is now ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.